Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, everyone. Is the screen visible? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Good
Ma'am,
evening,
good
everyone.
evening.
We shall just wait for 2 minutes so that some more students can join us. Till then, settle down yourself, turn on your videos, everyone. We shall just wait for 2 minutes. Good evening, everyone. We will wait for 2 minutes. Let me check how many of you haven't done the homework.
Um, Ma'am, today I got 20 out of 20 in maths exam.
Okay, very good. But only I think Ajish, Falak, Nandini, and Utkarsh, only they have attempted the test. Rest, none of you have done the test. None of you.
Ma'am, now only after eating my food at 3:30 or 3:45 something I have attempted the test.
Yes, I know you have done it. Ajish has done, Utkarsh, Nandini, and Falak only. Why, Melanie, Vivansh, why haven't you done the homework, dear? Prisha, why haven't you done the homework, dear? Tell me. Yes? Yes, Utkarsh?
And ma'am, my exams have not started.
Your exams
Your
have
exams
started.
have
That's
started.
why.
No, my exams have not started.
Your exams have not started. That's why you did your homework. Okay. Very good, dear. Very good. Melanie,
No,
why didn't you do the homework? Okay, Utkarsh. Melanie, can you hear me? Melanie, turn on your mic, dear. Melanie, why didn't you do the homework, dear? I could not hear you, Melanie, properly. Okay, Vivansh, turn on your mic and tell me why didn't you do homework, Melanie? Okay, Melanie, I think there is some network issue from your side. Vivansh, why haven't you done the homework?
ma'am, I forgot to do it.
Forgot to do it. Oh,
Back test.
Beta, that test homework, it is done in the Shiromani app, dear. In the Shiromani app, you get to do the homework. Bhargav, turn on your mic. Bhargav,
Ma'am, I have back to back.
Bhargav, you have also not done the homework. Okay, let's start, dear. Let's start the class. But only few students have joined today. Only 9. And by the end of the class, I have 14. Yes, Ajish?
Ma'am, we are going to start cube, right?
Yes, today we are going to start cubes. You are correct. We are going to start cubes. Okay. And if I talk about this cubes, same concept as squares. Cubes have same concept as squares. So, if I talk about
Ma'am,
cubes, yes, Ajish.
ma'am, in square we multiply with the number twice, but in this we multiply the number 3 times, right?
Yes, yes, Ajish. Now you can turn off your mic and let me explain. Everyone will give their ears. So, if you tell cube of any number, if you say cube of any number, cube means what? Cubes means the power of 3. Cube means the power of 3. If I say A ka cube, it means what? A into A into A. Suppose if I say 2 ka cube, if I say 2 ka cube, so what is 2 ka cube? 2 into 2 into 2. And then the final answer will be 2 twos are 4 and 4 twos are 8. 8 will be what? 8 will be your answer. So whenever cube is being asked, that means you have to multiply that number 3 times. Okay? And yes, Prisha?
Ma'am, in 2 by 2 cubes 3. Ma'am,
Prisha, first.
the answer is 6, ma'am, in that second one.
Beta, 2 twos are 4 and 4 twos are 8. How will it be 6? 2 into 2 is 4 and 4 into 2 is 8, dear. We don't have to add. We have to multiply, Prisha. Okay? So the answer is 8. Okay, you can turn off the mic, Prisha.
Ma'am, I think she is saying that 2 into 2 into 2 equals to 2 into 3.
No, beta.
She is saying that.
Yes. Got it, Dukka. She must be thinking in her head like that. But actually, it is 2 into 2 into 2. That is 2 twos are 4 and 4 into 2 is 8. And for anything, you have to learn the cubes up to 10. If you want to learn this chapter smoothly, you have to learn the cubes up to 10. Okay, so 1 ka cube is 1. Cubes means what? Cubes means like 1 ka cube, matlab 1 into 1 into 1, 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3, 4 into 4 into 4, right? So you have to learn the cubes of 1 to 10. Quickly note it down. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Quickly note it down. I'm giving you 2 minutes.
Ma'am, I know until 12.
And I'm telling you to write this one because this would be needed right now when you learn the cube roots. So it would be needed right now in the class. So please note it down. Giving you 2 minutes to write. Those who complete, you can write in the chat box done. That's it. Please don't turn on your mic, anyone. If done, write done in the chat box.
Ma'am, I have took the screenshot.
Utkarsh, I asked you to write. And that's why I gave 2 minutes. Screenshot would have taken just 10 seconds. Please note this down quickly. Vivansh, Nandini, Bhargav, Falak, Ajish, Done. Prisha, write quickly. Only 30 seconds left. And then we shall start, beta. Time's up. Okay. Now, today, first we will learn to calculate the cubes. Okay. Today we are going to learn how to calculate cubes. So we will learn both the way. First, the traditional one. Second, the short trick. But for the short trick, you have to keep your mind open, okay? Because in the starting, you might feel it tricky and hard, but once you practice it, it is very easy, very simple. So if I ask you to calculate the square of, suppose, 16, okay? Sorry, cube of 16. If I ask you to calculate the cube of 16, so what you will do? This means what? This means 16 into 16 into 16, right? 16 into 16 into 16. So first, you can do the traditional way also. You can do the traditional way. How? Like 16 into 16 is 256 into 16, right? 16 into 16, 256 into 16. Now, if you multiply 256 into 16, how much will it be? 256 into 10, 2560. And then you will add 256 into 6. 1436. Right? So you can do in the traditional way also. You can do in the traditional way also. If you want, you can go for this also. 256 into 16. If you are not getting this, how to do this one, you can go for this also. Traditional way, you can multiply as you want. Okay, you can multiply as you want. What happened, Ajish?
Ma'am, I didn't understand the first way you said.
Beta 16 into, if I ask you to multiply 2 into 2 into 2, what you will do? 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So if I'm asking you to multiply 16 into 16 into 16, that means you will use anyway, either the short trick to multiply, the calculation trick, or go for this one trick. Like 16 into 16 is 256 and 256 into 16. Multiply and 6, 6, 6 are 6 and 36, then 30 plus 3, then again 3, 12, 13, 14, 15. Go for this. You can either go for this as well, or you can use a short trick also to multiply it. You can use the short trick. What you did not get, Ajish, please tell me clearly.
Ma'am, how you did the first method?
This one, this one, this particular Ajish, do tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, whenever you have to multiply, like 256 into 16, you have to multiply. So I have always taught you, go for the single digit multiplication. Like 256 into 1 you will do. So 256 into 1 is 256, and because it is at 10th place, so I will add 0 at last, 1 0, because it is at 10th place. Now you will do 256 into 6. So 256 into 6, what will it be? 6 6 are 36, carry 3. 5 6 are 30 plus 3. 3 carried. Then 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 3 is how much? 15. Sorry. 12 plus 3 is how much? 15. Now you will add it. You will get 4096 as your answer. You will get 4096 as your answer. You just have to multiply, beta. And in the calculation, classes, I have taught you how to do it quickly. So if you do 256 into 6 writing, it will require a bit time. But if you go for single digit, like 256 into 1 and 256 into 6, it will require less time. So however you want, just calculate, multiply and calculate. But easier than this is the short trick. If in the examination you forget, then you don't have any other option. You have to do the traditional way. But we have a short trick for it. Even the short trick requires calculation. Everyone will pay attention. If you are asked to, yes, Tandani? Yes, Nandini, quickly, beta. Nandini, can you please say it loudly? I could not hear you.
Ma'am, I did not understood.
Beta, nothing to understand. In the traditional way, do 16 into 16 into 16. So 16 into 16 is 256. You can multiply yourself and see. And then do 256 into 16. You will get 4096. Okay? What happened, Prisha? You have raised your hand.
Ma'am, I not understanding how we get the 4096, ma'am.
16 into 16 is 256. Multiply yourself and you can see 16 into 16 is 256 and 256 into 16 is 4096. Multiply and see yourself. Okay, beta? Just multiplication. Prisha?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now we will learn the short trick. This was the traditional way, like multiplication, 16 into 16 into 16. Now the short trick. For the short trick, you need 4 places. For the short trick, you need 4 places. In the very first place, you will write 1. In the last place, you will write 6 because it is 1 and 6, 16. So 1 in the first place, 6 and the last place. You will calculate the cube of 1, calculate the cube of 6. And then 3 into 1 into 6, 3 into 1 into 6. Like we have 1, 6 ka cube, right? So 3 into 1 into 6, 3 into 1 into 6. 3 say you have to multiply whatever digit ka cube you have to calculate. And in the first one, like first digit is 1. So you will take the square of 1 in the first. Second digit is 6. You will take the square of 6. Any doubt in this? Raise your hand. Only this step. Raise your hand. Yes, Nandini, what doubt do you have?
Not understood the whole thing.
Pardon, Nandini, please speak clearly, loudly, and don't turn off your mic.
Ma'am, I did not understood the whole thing.
Whole thing. Acha, okay. And what happened to you, Falak? Falak, you raised your hand.
I did not get that answer.
If you are asked to calculate the square of 16, first step that you need 4 places, okay? 4 places. In the very, if it is 16, so 1 and 6, 2 digits. First digit you will write in the first place. Last digit you will write in the last place. And you will calculate the cube of it, okay? Like 1 ka cube and 6 ka cube. In between, you will write 3 into 1 and 6 is written here. So 1 into 6. And in the second place also, 3 into 1 and 6. Now, what is the tens place? First digit. So I will take square of 1 in the first, this one place. And then I have 6. So I will take the square of 6 in the second place. Now you will calculate it. So 1 ka cube is 1. 3 into 1 into 1 into 6 is 18. Right? 3 into 1 is 3. And 6 ka square is 36. 36 into 3 is how much? 108. 18 carry 1. Yes, 108 and 6 ka cube we have learned right now. I asked you to learn the cube of what? The cube of 6. So 6 ka cube is what? 216. So 216. Any doubts still here?
I did not get the second step.
One by one. Palak did not get the second step. Yes, Utkarsh?
Ma'am, how did 118 and 108 and 216 came over there?
Beta, 1 ka cube. If it is, turn off your mic, dear. If it is 1 ka cube means what? 1 ka cubes means 1 into 1 into 1. So 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. Then I have 3 into 1 ka square into 6. That means 3 into 1 ka square means 1 into 1 into 6. So 3 into 1 into 1 into 6 is 18. Now I have 3 into 1 into 6 ka square. So 6 ka square means 6 into 6. 6 into 6 is 36. 36 into 1 is 36 and 36 into 3 is 108. 6 ka cube. 6 ka cube means 6 into 6 into 6. So 6 into 6 is 36 and 36 into 6 is 216. So when you solve these, you get the answer, this one, for each and everything. Got it, Prajwal? Sorry, Utkarsh. Got it?
No, ma'am.
With what are you not getting? I cannot understand.
Ma'am, 108 is not the cube of anything.
Beta, so you don't have to calculate the cube, dear. See. First place, if it is 1 ka cube, that means 1 into 1 into 1.
I got
You will
that. I got that 1 and 6s.
You got 1 and 6, like 6 into 6 into 6. Everyone, please pay attention because all of you have doubt in this only, na? So please pay attention. Please lower down your hand. 1 ka cube is 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. 6 ka cube means 6 into 6 into 6. That is 216. 3 into 1 ka square means 1 into 1. 6. Multiply. 3 1 is 3. 3 1 is 3. And 3 6 are 18. You will get 18 as your answer when you multiply all. Here you have 3 into 1 into 6 ka square means 6 into 6. 3 into 1, 3. 3 6 are 18. And 18 into 6, 108. Now tell me which step you have doubted.
Ma'am, now it's okay.
Yes, Prisha?
Ma'am, I not understand in how we get the 108 and 18.
Beta, 108. Right now, 108 and 18 I was explaining. Tell me one thing. If Utkarsh and Prisha and everyone has the same doubt, and if I'm explaining it to Utkarsh only, that same doubt, you can please pay attention. You are waiting for your turn because I have raised my hand. When man will take my name, only then I will pay attention. 18 and 108, right now I explain, Prisha. Like this, it is 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 6 is 18. 3 into 1 is 3. 3 into 6 is 18. And 18 into 6 is 108. Got it, Prisha? If yes, lower down your hand.
Yes, ma'am.
And then, dear, you know that how we do. We just take the single digit. So this is 216. I will take only 6. I will take only single digit. And this 21 shall be added to 108. It is 216. I will take only 6. And then the rest remaining number shall be carried forward. So 108 plus 21 is how much? 129, right? 129. So I will take 9 here, and this 12, it shall be carried forward. 18 plus 12 is 30. So you will take 0 here, and this 3 carry forward. And when you add 1 plus 3, you get 4. So your answer would be 4096. Got it? You might feel it very difficult right now because this is your very first question. But believe me, when you practice it is not really difficult. You can do this 1808, everything in your mind. Yes, Utkarsh, why have you raised your hand?
Ma'am, how do we take in 3 into 1 into 6? How do we take 1 square only? 3 into 1 into 6 in the second one. How do we take only 6 square? Why not 3 and 1?
That is the short trick. That is the short trick that you have to learn. Okay?
Okay. Okay, ma'am. But ma'am, in every number, in 636,
yes,
will follow. Yes. If it's 36,
same trick will follow.
3 into 3 into 6, and second one also 3 into 3 into 6. So in the first one, we will take the 3 square, and in second one we will take 6 square, na?
Yes.
Yes. Okay.
What happened, Ajish?
मैम ये क्वेश्चन में 16 दिया है तो सिर्फ 1 और 6 का स्क्वायर ढूंढना है ना?
क्यूब बेटा, नॉट स्क्वायर, क्यूब. यहाँ फर्स्ट प्लेस पे और सेकंड प्लेस पे 1 और 6 का क्यूब, और
No, ma'am.
बीच में ना?
यस मैम.
हाँ, बीच में, क्योंकि ये क्यूब है तो हम इसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. जैसे स्क्वायर में 2 से करते थे ना बीच वाले नंबर को 2 से, क्योंकि ये क्यूब है तो यहाँ पे 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. एक बार 1 का स्क्वायर और 6 से मल्टीप्लाई, एक बार 6 का स्क्वायर और 1 से मल्टीप्लाई. फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक और क्वेश्चन करके दिखाती हूँ, ध्यान देंगे सभी, ध्यान देना बेटा. मान लो आपका क्वेश्चन कुछ और है, मान लो 23 है, 23 का क्यूब, ठीक है, 23 का क्यूब निकालना है. ध्यान देंगे सभी. उत्कर्ष, प्लीज लोअर डाउन योर हैंड इफ योर डाउट इज क्लियर. सभी ध्यान देंगे बेटा. अगर आपको 23 का क्यूब निकालना है तो पहली चीज तो मैंने आपको ये बताई कि आप 23 इंटू 23 इंटू 23 भी कर सकते हो. अगर आपको लगता है कि हाँ मैं तो जल्दी कर लूंगा 23 इंटू 23 इंटू 23, तो आप 23 इंटू 23 इंटू 23 भी कर सकते हैं. लेकिन ये करना ज्यादा आसान है, क्योंकि अगर मैं दिमाग में करूं तो मेरा हो जाएगा लाइक 3 का क्यूब 27, अच्छा 2 3 2 6 होता है, और 6 इंटू 3 आपके कितना होता है 18, 18 प्लस 2 कर देंगे, है ना, 8 तो 0 आ जाएगा. फिर हमारा 2 कैरी हो जाएगा, 2 इंटू 3 6, 6 इंटू 3 18, और 18 इंटू 2 36, 36 प्लस 2 हमारा 8 होता है. फिर हम कैरी ले सकते हैं. यस मोगनेश.
मैम your screen is black.
बेटा if the screen is black please exit and rejoin.
Okay ma'am.
फिर आप क्या करोगे? ओके मोगनेश, फिर आप क्या करोगे? 2 का क्यूब निकालोगे तो 2 का क्यूब 8 होता है, फिर उसमें 4 ऐड कर देंगे तो कितना हो जाएगा 12 हो जाएगा, राइट. तो मैं प्रैक्टिस है तो मन में कर सकती हूँ, लेकिन आपको समझाने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, मुझे यहाँ पे लिखना पड़ेगा कि यहाँ पहले 2 का क्यूब निकालो, यहाँ पे 3 का क्यूब निकालो, क्योंकि पहला डिजिट 2 है तो 2 का क्यूब, लास्ट डिजिट 3 है तो 3 का क्यूब. उसके बाद बीच में लिखेंगे 3 इंटू 2 इंटू 3, 3 इंटू 2 इंटू 3, क्योंकि 2 और 3 यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है और 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं. इसमें भी 3 इंटू 2 इंटू 3, ठीक है. एक बार 2 का स्क्वायर निकालेंगे पहले वाले में, क्योंकि 2 पहला नंबर है, Oh, I'm really sorry why I'm using Hindi. Oh, really sorry for it, dear. I just forgot this is South class. So let me explain this again. If you have 23 ka cube, so you will take four boxes. First box, if first number is 2, then 2 ka cube. If last number is 3, then 3 ka cube. And then in the middle one, 3 into the digits, that is 2 and 3. So 3 into 2 into 3, 3 into 2 into 3. And then what you have to do? Then same thing, square of 2 and then square of 3. Now calculate it like 8 ka cube, sorry, 2 ka cube. 2 into 2 into 2 is 8, write 8. 3 into 2 ka square is what? 4. So 3 fours are 12. 12 into 3 is 36. 3 twos are 6. And 6 into 9, because 3 ka square is 9. So 6 into 9 is 54. 3 ka cube, that is 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 into 3 is 27. First, you will calculate the value for each and everything. Okay. Now, out of this 27, you will write 7. This 2 shall be added. So it became what? 56. Out of this 56, you will write 6. This 5, it shall be added, right? So 36 plus 5 is 41. You will write 1. And this 4, it shall be added. 8 plus 4 is how much? 12. So 12167 would be your answer. 12167 would be your answer. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, my last step is not clear.
Which last step? Taking carry? Taking carry forward. Carry forward.
Yes, ma'am, the additions one.
Taking carry forward is easy. Like if it is 27, you will take only one digit, single 7, and the remaining digit, it shall be moved forward. So 54 and plus this 2, 56, you will take 6 from it. 5, it shall be moved forward. So 36 plus 5, now you have 41. You will take 1, this 4, it shall be carry forwarded to 8. And 8 plus 4 is 12. So your answer would be 12167.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Do one thing.
Ma'am,
Randomly, yes,
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, can you give a question? I clearly understand.
Yes, Ajish, you also want to say something? Ajish, you are not audible. Your networks are not good. Okay, at least practice one question and see yourself that if you can do it or not. 72 ka cube. Calculate yourself. There is no poll for this. Only I'm giving you 2 minutes time. Okay, 2 minutes time. You can answer me in chat box. Practice yourself. Try yourself. And then when I do it on the board, you will check that which step you are doing wrong. Okay? Practice yourself. You have 1 more minute to go. I have got answers from 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 of you. Just waiting for 30 seconds more. Practice yourself and then you will check that which step you are doing wrong. Okay, let's stop everyone. Stop everyone. Now, each one of you will just check that which step you are doing wrong. Okay? Each one of you will check which step you are doing wrong. First place 7 because I have first digit 7. The last place is 2. So 7 ka cube, 2 ka cube. In between you will write 3 into 7 into 2. 3 into 7 into 2. First place 7 ka square. Second place 2 ka square. Only those will raise their hand who have done first step wrong. Don't turn on your mic. Just raise your hand. Those who have done first step wrong. Everyone has done their first step correct. Okay. Then let's move to the next step. 7 ka cube is 343. That is, who is it? That is 7 into 7. What happened, Utkarsh?
Ma'am, what will we do if we have 3-digit, 4-digit or 5-digit number of cubes?
First thing, you will not be asked. Turn off your mic, beta. You will not be asked to calculate the cube of like 5-digit, 3-digit, or 4-digit. But if it comes, go for the traditional way. If you are asked to calculate the cube of 256, then do 256 into 256 into 256, like traditional way. Okay, beta? Utkarsh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we shall move ahead. See, so what we have to do? 7 ka square means what? 7 ka square means 49. So 49 into 2 is how much? 49 into 2, it will be 98. And 98 into 3, it will be how much? 98 into 3, 300 में से 6 come, 294. You can multiply yourself and see. And if I do wrong multiplication on the board, please do let me know. Okay. Now 3 into 7 is 21. 21 into 2 is 42. And 42 into 2 is 84. And 2 ka cube is 8. Only those will raise their hand who have done this step wrong in their notebook. If you have done this step wrong in your notebook. No one? Vivansh, you have done. Why, Vivansh? Which step? Where it was wrong?
No, I was about to go ahead.
Pardon, beta, I could not get you, dear Vivansh.
It was by mistake I reached
Acha,
hand
it
up,
was
ma'am.
by mistake. Okay. Ajish, you have done this step wrong.
Yes, ma'am.
So that means you are not understanding this just because of the calculation. So please focus on the
Ma'am,
calculation.
by mistake, 3 into 7 into 2 multiple calculation I did wrong.
Oh, got it, dear. Now, if you got this, now only one thing I have. I have to take one digit. So 8 is single digit. I will take 8. In this 84, I shall take only 4 and this 8 shall be carried forward. So 294 plus 8 is 302. I shall take this 2 and 30 carry forward. So 343 plus 30 is how much? 373. So my answer is 373248. 373248. And I got correct answer from how many of you? Let me check. 3, 4, 7. Prajwal wrong. Yes, Melanie correct. Bhargav wrong. Utkarsh correct. Nandini correct. Prisha correct. Falak correct. You can check yourself, dear, which step you have done wrong, right? Check yourself. And then I'm going to give you one more question. Let's move ahead. The next one. 44 ka cube. Take out the cube of 44. Without any, this is the last question without pole. From now onwards, you will be getting pole, okay? So calculate this 44 ka cube. Again, I am giving you 2 minutes ka time. 2 minutes time you have 44 ka cube. And again, you will check that which step you are doing wrong, okay? You will check which step are you doing wrong. Today, I am giving you 2 minutes time because it is your first day of calculation, but it doesn't require this much time, beta. You have to speed up. Yes, Falak, are you using any calculators? Because I think so, Falak ji. If you are using calculator and answering me, it's very wrong, beta. One more minute to go. Everyone will do. Melanie, your answer is wrong. Do check your answer, beta. Do calculations again. And you will check also that which step you are doing wrong, Melanie. Okay, time's up. And I got answer from all of you, right? Now each one of you will check there. Each one of you will check. I have 44 and 44, right? So 4 in the first, 4 in the last. And then cube of 4, cube of 4. Then I will have 3 into 4 into 4. 3 into 4 into 4. I shall calculate the square of this 4 and then I shall calculate the square of this 4. Now 4 ka cube, that is 4 into 4 is 16 and 16 into 4 is 64. 3 into 4, 12. 12 into 4, 48. 48 into 4 is 192. And then 3 4s are 12 and 12 into 4, 48. 48 into 4, 192. 4 ka cube is 64. This was pure calculation. Now I'm going to take single digit from each space. So this 4 I shall carry down and this 6 carry forward. So 192 plus 6 is 198. This 8 written down and 19 carry forward it. So 192 plus 19, it will be how much? 212? Not 12, 11. 11. Okay. I will write this one down This 21 carried forward. So 64 plus 21 is 85. My answer is 85184. And most of you have given me the correct answer. I think one or two wrong. Else, everyone has given me the correct answer. This was the concept, dear. This particular thing was the concept. But you know what? In examination, only some days, some years you get difficult question, or rest you get very easy question. You know how much easy? Let us see. You will get like this. Yes, Nandini? Please do ask.
Ma'am, I get we like the exam. The questions are tricky, not hard.
Man, you're glitching.
Beta Palak, if it's reaching, please exit and rejoin. So in examination, it is not that tough. It is quite easy, not that tough and tricky. It is easy. And within the options, you can find your answers quickly. For example, suppose you have one particular question like this one. You have one question like find cube of 1/3. Okay. Suppose you have this particular question. It feels difficult, tricky, but it is so easy. First step, convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. We have already learned it. So denominator would be same. 3 1 is 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So you have to calculate the cube of what? 4/3. And for this, you don't even need any calculation because in the starting of the class today, I made you write the cubes of all the numbers up to 10 and I asked you to learn. So 4 ka cube is what? 64. And 3 ka cube is 27. Your answer. Here you go. Quickly. Sometimes what happens, let me tell you. Just give me a second. Like, suppose sometimes if you are asked question like cube of 12, okay? Please pay attention, everyone. And you have options. Okay. Okay. So in this particular option, you don't have to calculate the cube of 12. No need to calculate. In this particular option, you can see 1, 8, 2 and 4 at the end, right? 1, 8, 2 and 4 at the end. Different digits, different unit digits. So we can think of the last digit, what the last digit can be of my answer. So it is 2 at the end. 2 ka cube is 8. So my answer would have 8 at the end. Without any calculation, you can easily say option B is your answer. Because it is 12, 12 can be what I have? 2. 2 ka cube is 8. That means at the end of my answer, I will always have 8. And in all the options, only one option has 8 at the end. Now, you can tell me that, ma'am, what if 2 options has 8 at the end? What if 2 options has 8 at the end? In that case, you need to calculate using the short trick. But if each option has different digits, you don't even need to calculate. You can simply tell me like 12 ka cube, 2 at the end, 2 ka cube is 8. So whichever option has 8 at the end, that will be your answer. Yes, Utkarsh? Yes, Utkarsh?
Ma'am, how did 8 come in the answer?
Because beta, when you have 12, 2 is the last digit and 2 ka cube is 8. Last digit will always be 8. That's why you only have to see the last digit. Okay? Okay, let me give you one question from the book.
Can you give poll?
Pardon? Yes, Ajish? Okay, find the cube of 0.08. This question you will be doing in poll, okay? I will create poll for you. Here you go. Try this one for yourself. This is very easy. Nandini, Bhargav, Utkarsh, correct, rest wrong. Okay, let's see, beta. It is 0.08, right? 0.08. When I remove this decimal, if I remove this decimal, I will get what? 1 and 2. 2 zeros in the denominator. Because after this decimal, I have 1 and 2 digits. I have 2 digits, so I will get 2 digits in the denominator. 2 zeros. That means you have to calculate the cube of what? 8 and 100. Calculate the cube of 8 and 100. 8 ka cube I have learned, right? I have learned in the class. I made you write this. So what is the cube of 8? 8 ka cube is 512, right? 512. So why to calculate? We have already learned. So 8 ka cube is 512 and 100 ka cube means what? 100 ka cube means 100 into 100 into 100. That means 100 is multiplied 3 times. So I will have total 6 zeros. Total 6 zeros. Now convert this into decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros means point before 6 digits. I have 512, 3 digits. In order to make it 6, I shall add zeros in front. When I add 3 zeros, it became 6 digits. Add point. And option D is the correct one. Option D, 0.000512 is the correct. Yes, Prisha?
Ma'am, in the how we get that 0.00, ma'am?
Beta, we have learned in the decimal chapter, Prisha, that in the denominator, how many zeros you have? You have to put decimal before that digits. So I have 6 zeros in the decimal. I have to put decimal before 6 digits. So 1, 2, 3. I have only 3 digits. In order to make it 6, I will add zeros in front, not after, in front. So 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros and plus these 3 digits. It became 6. So you will add a point here. Got it, Prisha? Yes, Utkarsh? Utkarsh?
The mistake.
Okay, anyone else? Beta, any doubts in this? No? Okay, beta. If no, then let's end it here. And in the next class, I shall start the same cube and cube roots only. I shall keep cube and cube roots only. Okay? Let's end it here. We shall meet tomorrow for this cube and cube roots. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for joining.